they are happy because we are together. And I want to ask you first, before I am talking, why you are gathering? Why we call you and to talk to you about Islam? Why? How much you will get money?
Dahil siya ang nagbigay sa atin. Kung puro na lang tayo, paano tayo bigyan niya ng blessing pa? Kung puro na lang tayo sa ganun. Kailangan bigyan natin siya ng panahon eh. Hindi natin alam, bukas o sa makalawa.